Hey guys, Benny here from WoodWorks, and today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome pencil pen thingy. Yeah, but basically it's a pen made out of colored pencils, so let's go. Okay, so I've never actually tried turning epoxy, but I'm going to try it out. So basically I have this huge box of colored pencils, and I'm just going to, because I used them for a previous epoxy project, which I gave to a friend and I never actually ended up turning it. But I'm just basically just going to make a little mold out of cardboard and then line it with tape. And then I'm just going to cut up some colored pencils and see how it works out. So let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna cut the base first. I'm gonna make it just over 5 inches long, and then I'm gonna make it just over 2 inches wide or whatever, and then I'll work on the sides. So I'm just gonna cut this to 2 inches, just to over 2 inches, and then the 5 inches. So. Okay, so now I have the base done. So now I'm gonna cut these sides. So I can probably use this. I'm gonna make the sides an inch tall. So I'm just gonna make them an inch tall, and then I'm also gonna do 5 inches long, of course. Okay, so now I'm just gonna make 2 slabs that are 2 inches wide and an inch high. So let's do that really quick. Okay, so there's the mold basically complete. So now I'm just gonna use packing tape and try to cover the entire inside with it. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so now I have the entire inside covered in packing tape, so it should keep all of the epoxy from leaking out. And now I'm just going to fill it with pencils and then fill it with epoxy. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm just going to get some colored pencils and cut them in increments of 1 inch. So I have my colored pencils in my mold, and I'm going to be using this East Coast resin. It's a 2-part resin, 1 part to 1. So it just has the hardener and the epoxy, and then so yeah, I'm just going to use that. And then basically my plan is I'm just going to pour this in here, and then wait, I'm going to get it all in there. Okay, and then I'm going to pour the epoxy on, and then I'm going to put tape over it. So that it stays down, because of course the colored pencils and epoxy will rise. So let's start. Now when you're mixing epoxy, you want to mix it very thoroughly. So usually I do it for about 2 minutes. That's my sweet spot.
Two very boring minutes later.
Now I just pour all of my extra epoxy into this cup, and then once I fill it up, I'm gonna make like a bottle stopper or something out of it. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so now we wait. Okay, so now that this mold is all dry, I'm gonna cut it out of the mold. But first, I'm just gonna go along the edge and get this hard stuff off. Okay, so I just cut up all the blanks, and here they are. So now I'm just gonna turn them into a pin. Now I already made a video last week or 2 weeks ago about how to make a pin, so I will leave that at the end of the video. So I'm not gonna go super into detail about what I'm doing. So, see ya. Okay, so I have the pin up on the pin mandrel, so now I'm just gonna start turning it. All this just snapped off, so I'm gonna have to remake that one. So, crap. I made this piece with the extra blank I had, and I'm just gonna start spinning. So, if you're wondering why I was using this glove, because you're really not supposed to use gloves when you're wood turning, it's because this is epoxy, and when you turn epoxy, it can really hurt your hand. Not like break your hand or anything. It can just when it's shooting at your hand, it can like cut it and stuff, so it really just feels like little knives. So that is why I'm wearing this glove. So yeah. so now I'm gonna use some micro mesh. It goes from 1500 to 12,000, and it has a different grit than sandpaper. But I'm gonna wet sand it because because I put super glue on it. And I can wet sand it, so I'm just gonna do that. So let's go. Okay, so this looks awesome. Now I just need to put it together with the pin parts. So yeah. Okay guys, so here is the final pin. You can't really see how good it looks on camera, but this thing is incredible. It turned out like a million times better than I thought it would. That was my first time ever turning epoxy, and it did mess up once, but luckily that's why I made an extra blank. But like you can like see at all of the pencils and stuff. Oh, I think it just looks so cool, especially when it's like on the long side. Oh, this just looks awesome. But I just want to thank you all for watching this video. Please give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to really help it. And also, if you have any comments or concerns or questions, or you just have a way to improve on how I did this, please feel free to post those in the comment section down below. So thanks for watching, guys. This has been it from WoodWorks. Peace out.